What's up, Harris, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a full quick weave invisible part. I'm going to be using this Body Wave 10-inch. I'm going to take it out of the pot, but this is how it's the Empire brand 10-inch. I bought 2 packs. I'm hoping 2 packs does it. The pack doesn't look like it have much hair, but you know, I'm going for a little color. So I got this one, and hopefully this 2 packs does the trick. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys the braiding pattern, show you guys how I'm going to get it done, and yeah, that's about it, so stay tuned. Okay, so this is my braiding pattern. Like, I have the plot right here. This is where I want the plot to be. And then I just did the hair all around, like so. Like that. And I have some styling strip that I'm just going to be applying to my hair, just to protect my hair from the glue.
When I'm up through the night, I can't turn down the noise, tear all the worries out of my mind. About who I'm supposed to be, I start to believe I can't get it right. Remember the days I let slip away, they were simpler times. Mama told me before you leave, if there's only one thing you remember from me, child, when you're out on your own, a million miles from home, feeling the weight of the world on your shoulders. Child, don't forget who you are, don't lose your head or your heart. I'll bet my life on your stars, you'll be dancing, dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon. I bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon. Dancing on the moon. Dancing on the moon. Maybe my compass was wrong, and I'm still on my way closer each day to where I belong. I'm still rolling the dice, praying sometimes don't last it long. I'm losing my faith, I'm walking away from what you knew all along. Mama told me before you leave, if there's only one thing you remember from me, child, when you're out on your own, a million miles from home, feeling the weight of the world on your shoulders. Child, don't forget who you are, don't lose your head or your heart. I'll bet my life on your stars, you'll be dancing, dancing on the moon. I bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon. I bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon. I bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon. Dancing on the moon. Child, when you're out on your own, a million miles from home, feeling the weight of the world on your shoulders. Child, don't forget who you are, don't lose your head or your heart. I'll bet my life on your stars, you'll be dancing, dancing. When I'm up through the night, I can't turn down the noise. Tear all the words out of my mind about who I'm supposed to be. I start to believe I can't get it right. Remember the days I let slip away. They were simpler times. Mama told me before you leave, if there's only one thing you remember from me, child, when you're out on your own, a million miles from home, feeling the weight of the world on your shoulders, child, don't forget who you are, don't lose your head or your heart.
Okay, so right here I'm gonna show you guys how I do the closure. So I'm just going to take a small piece of hair, I'm going to put some glue on it, and then I'm going to spin it around in like a little pinwheel. So I'm just wrapping it around itself until it forms like a circle, and then I'm going to let it dry. So I'm using the blow dryer just to make this process a little faster. Once it's completely dry, I'm going to be using the flat iron to flatten it out. That way it could lay flat. And this is going to be my closure. This is how you make your own closure without buying one. And it gives a more realistic, natural look. So I'm just flattening it out, and then I'm going to be putting it to the top.
Still rolling the dice, praying sometimes don't last it long. I'm losing my faith, I'm walking away from what you knew all along. Mama told me before you leave, if there's only one thing you remember from me, child, when you're out on your own, a million miles from home, feeling the weight of the world on your shoulders, child, don't forget who you are.
I'm going to decide like how to wear it. I'm thinking I might cut it, but maybe I might just wear it like this for a little while. And then later on, like when I'm tired with it, I'll just cut it. But I'm still deciding. I'm pretty sure y'all will see what the thumbnail looks like. Whatever the thumbnail. Okay, so this is the final look. I decided to cut it in like a little bob. I'm still kind of getting used to it because this color is like extreme. But yeah, so far I like it.
I've been